My name is Dhananjay Balaji Vaizade from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere, and today's presentation on NDT. NDT means non-destructive test. So first of all, introduction. The NDT stands for non-destructive test, and non-destructive test is a testing and analysis technique used by industry to evaluate the properties of a material, component, structures, or system for characteristics difference or welding defects, and is continuous without the causing damage to the original part. The objectives of the entities are the understand, measure structural stability, recognize the type of structural instability, to identify signs of structural distress and material deterioration, identify signs of deformation by visual inspection. These are the objectives of the entity. The purpose of structural audits are to save the human life and buildings, to understand the condition of buildings, to find critical areas to repair immediately, to comply with statutory requirement, to enhance life cycle of building. NDT testing. NDT testing consists NDT testing is a test of concrete, is a method to obtain the compressive strength and other properties of concrete from the existing structure. This uh, this test provides immediate results and actual strength and properties of concrete structure. And as the image shows, the image is rebound hammer. So rebound hammer test, it is also a type of non-destructive test. A rebound hammer or concrete hammer test is to device to measure the elastic properties or strength of concrete or rock, mainly surface hardness and penetration resistance. Rebound hammer is also known as skimmed hammer. This is rebound hammer, digital rebound hammer, which is present in our college. The application of the rebound hammer, it is used to investigate concrete hardness. It is low cost and has a simple operating procedure. It is easy to use because the rebound hammer is light in weight, compact, and can be easily carried in hand anywhere. It is used to find out the exact location of poor quality and deteriorated concrete. The quality of concrete, which is we have to decide on average rebound number. The quality of concrete, very good hard layer, the average rebound number should be greater than 40, and average rebound number 30 to 40, then the quality of concrete should be in good layer. And the average rebound number 20 to 30, the quality of concrete should be fair. And it is less than, if it is less than 20, then the quality of concrete is poor concrete, and 0, then you should eliminate it. The methodology of the rebound hammer is to, we have to prepare the concrete surface by removing plaster and clean the surface. We have to press hammer and release, then we have to note down the readings, then we have to take average of all readings. They conduct at different location on different elements like columns, beams, and slab. This is the picture which shows the uh, how to use the rebound hammer. First of all, we have to mark the surface besides the structural crack or like something. Then we have to press it towards that towards the uh, towards the towards it. After this is one of the type of entity, which is visual inspection. And visual testing is the probably the most important of all non-destructive tests. It can often provide valuable information to the well trained eyes. The visual may be related to the workmanship, structural serviceability, and material deterioration and it is particularly important that the engineer is able to differentiate between the various signs of distress which may be encountered. The advantage of trained eye is the best described by Sherlock Holmes when he wrote, I see no more than you, but I have trained myself to notice what I see. These are the signs of visual inspection. These are the reinforcement, corrosion, alkali aggregate reaction, sulfate attack, and the sketch crack due to concrete settling. Ultrasonic pulse velocity test. This UPV. This is also known as UPV. UPV means ultrasonic pulse velocity test. Ultrasonic pulse velocity test is the performed on concrete to check their quality and homogeneity and also cracks, voids, cavities and defects in the concrete by passing electronic wave through the concrete. The apparatus used in the test is called as ultrasonic pulse velocity meter. Apparatus which is used for UPV, the electric pulse generator, a pair of transducer, standard calibration bar, an amplifier, and electronic timing device, which is showed in this picture. The quality of concrete is determined on the average value of UPV, which is unit is kilometer per second. When average value of UPV is above 4.40, the concrete of quality grade is excellent. If it is if the value lies between 3.75 to 4.40, the quality concrete of grade is good. If it is below 3, then the quality of concrete is poor. Liquid penetrant method. This is also one of the NDT type method. It is also known as dye penetrant testing on concrete. A liquid penetrant is applied at the surface of the specimen. The penetrant is drawn by the surface flows due to capillary action, and this is subsequently revealed by a developer in addition with visual inspection. The procedure of this liquid penetration test is penetrant test is the cleaning surface application. We have to clean the surface, then we have to apply the penetrant, and then we have to remove excess penetrant which is we have apply. Then we have to inspect it. Applications: the turbine rotor and disc and aircraft wheels, casting, forged component, welded assemblies, automotive parts, piston, cylinders, bogie, bogie frames of railway, locomotives and rolling stocks, electric ceramic parts, sparks, plug insulators, glass to metal seals, etc. These are the applications of the liquid penetrant test. Then another test is the half cell electrical potential method. The method of half cell potential measurement is normally involves the measuring the potential of an embedded reinforcing bar related to the reference half cell placed on the concrete surface. The half cell usually a copper sulfate or copper, silver chloride cell, but other combinations are used. The concrete function reinforced in the immediate region of the test location may be related empirically to the major potential differences. This is the Hubsel electrical potential method diagram. So in some circumstances useful measurements can be obtained between two hub cells on the concrete surface. The range of half cell electrical potential inspection method: potential difference level between less than 500, the chances of rebar being corroded are visible evidence of corrosion. If it is ranges between minus 350 to minus 500, then 95% of the chances of rebar being corroded. If it is more than minus 200, then 5% chances of rebar being corroded. Influencing factors of NDT, which is age of concrete, carbonation of surface, moisture contents, and condition of surface. The Here is the last conclusion. A careful inspection and assessment by experienced person will be more effective in making decision regarding the further course of action. And for better assessment, the results should be checked with the results from other advanced instrument. The testing of existing structure is usually related to assessment of structural integrity or adequacy, and non-destructive testing can be applied to both old and new structure. For new structures, the principal applications are like to be for quality control of the resolution of doubts about the quality of materials or constructions. Thank you.